Other hack, over 16 hands, and in ring number 1 they're on to the last of the senior riding classes, to ride up 35 years and over.
Where she held me to her bosom, just a boy of 17. I recall a gypsy woman, silver spangles in her eyes, later still against the moonlight, and the taste of life's sweet wine.
I think they all leave Canberra on that today. They don't have a coat. 3 years, yeah. They don't have a coat. They don't have a coat.
The darkness in my mind, oh gentle moon, you sleep beside me, every morning I hurt my mind.
Champion and reserve champion Super Bowl due. Hot rain Reno stuff. This one was the section earlier. Final ream, taken over. Flew into their chief final ream and then broke for
Hello? beforehand and even longer in the people behind the scenes, as well as the ones that have been preparing the grounds and just getting the show up to where it is today. We've extended the arena this year, as you may have noticed, and that was done entirely through voluntary effort, and it was also done in part through a very generous donation of plant hire by Southern Experience, and like other Dalgety shows, that you'll go home smiling, having had a good day out. I just, because we've been pushed for volunteers at our gate, there's probably some of you who may not have the little red mark on your wrist to say that you paid to get in the gate. It's only $6 and it really helps us to put on these shows. So if you haven't been caught by the men on the gate so far, be honest enough, see them on the way up and pay your $6 and say thanks for a great day. Get out the road and get it right. It's my pleasure now to introduce Mayor of Canberra Council, Mr. John Tunnell, which is the opening show.
Sarah hasn't prepared a speech, but she said she can talk, so I'll put her on to say a few words.
Oh, that's one. Okay, well, first of all, I would like to thank the Dalgety Show Society for holding this event and letting me have the opportunity to be the Dalgety Show girl.
Thank you, Sarah. Now you know what Sarah looks like. Please make yourselves known to her as she circulates around the showground today. Our Grand Parade is, we're so well organised that the people should be lining up behind me as I speak, and they're not. So we'll have to just get the marshalling started for the participants in our Grand Parade, which should start about 1:30, and not too sure